Wet weather gear, essential knowledge for English learners. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, wet weather gear. This is a commonly used term, especially in regions where rain is frequent. Understanding such phrases can greatly enhance your English language skills, especially if you're planning to travel or live in an English-speaking country. Let's dive in. Wet weather gear refers to the clothing and accessories designed to keep you dry and comfortable in rainy or wet conditions. It's not just about raincoats. This term encompasses a variety of items. We'll explore what makes up wet weather gear and why it's important. In this section, we'll break down the typical components of wet weather gear. Items like waterproof jackets, rain boots, and umbrellas are essential. We'll discuss each item's function and how they protect you from the rain. This knowledge can be useful when you're shopping for these items or packing for a trip to a rainy destination. Wet weather gear can vary depending on the culture and climate. For instance, in tropical climates, lightweight rain gear is preferred. We'll look at different styles and how they relate to various cultures and climates. Also, we'll touch upon how this term appears in English literature and media, enhancing your cultural understanding of English-speaking countries. We hope this video has shed light on the phrase, wet weather gear, and its relevance in everyday English. Remember, learning such phrases not only improves your language skills but also prepares you for real-world situations. Stay tuned for more insightful videos on English language learning. Happy learning, and don't forget your wet weather gear on a rainy day.